Find a comfortable place where you can sit on a chair or on the ground, or simply lay down. Close your eyes and intend to relax. Inhaling through your nose, exhaling out of your mouth, dissolving all tensions on the physical, mental, and emotional level of your being. Letting go. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head, simply becoming aware of the crown of your head, moving on to your forehead, your right temple, left temple, right eye, left eye, your nose, your right cheek, left cheek, your mouth, your lips, top and bottom, the space between your lips, your tongue, your teeth, your jaw, your chin, your ears, right and left, your face, the skin on your face, moving to the back of your head, feeling your scalp, your hair, your neck, your throat, moving down to your shoulders, right and left, your arms, your right arm, your left arm, your right hand, your left hand, your right fingers, your left fingers, your chest, right and left, center of the chest, your abdomen, your back, your upper back, the middle of your back, your lower back, your hips, your sit bones, your sacrum, the pelvic floor. Now moving to your legs, right and left, right foot, left foot, right toes, left toes, front of your body, back of your body, your head, the top of your body, the bottom of your body, becoming aware of your whole body, becoming aware of your skin, the fascia below the skin, the muscles, the flesh, the ligaments, tendons, becoming aware of your organs, becoming aware of your bones, your spine, becoming aware of the core of your body, at the center of your spine, the spinal cord, becoming aware of the life moving through your body as breath, as warmth, as energy moving from the top of your head all the way down to your toes, feeling relaxed, at peace, quiet. Slowly begin to deepen your breath, Wiggle your fingers and your toes, and gently open your eyes.